saw a marriage number 1 and marriage number 2. Then I was now being shown number 3. Why number 3 when you are in marriage number 2, right?
Yes, number 2.
Yes. Why marriage number 3? Why? Because there are suspicions which are being cooked by the devil of cheating. Yet right now there are no suspicions.
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I'm understanding.
The devil wants to use the same strategy but in a different formation.
Okay.
How he destroyed the first marriage.
Yes.
He wants to come, but his agenda he wants to use the issue to do with the finances, lack of finances.
Okay, this is your man of God.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
The stronghold that is fighting you is fighting you financially.
Amen.
Johnson.
Yes.
Why is it is fighting you financially? It has misguided you to end up not knowing what you really want to do. Yet in your heart you know what you want to do. But that which you want to do, marriage will tell you that do something that brings manifest.
Yes. Yep, man of God.
Your wife wants something which makes money come and knock at the door instantly, immediately. But life doesn't work that way. That is the setup.
Amen.
You understand?
Yes.
I know that everyone here, if you ask them, they'll say you have financial challenges. I'm seeing what I'm saying. I want to pray for this. Are you renting?
Pardon?
Are you renting?
I just 2 months ago I just bought a stay in the building right now. Still I'm renting.
Right, you're renting.
Yes.
Because that place where you're building right now, I saw it not yet finished, and you now decided that maybe let me save it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Have we arrived to that stage?
We have it.
Right. I want to pray so that you finish, because even when you are renting, I saw you having challenges.
Amen.
But yet you are telling me that you are building. I saw you
Yes.
as if you are now having problems with the rentals.
Yes.
And now it ended up as marriage problems. And then it led to where I revealed about cheating. Who was cheating, I know, but I don't want to talk about it.
All right.
So that you come to know.
Amen.